Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. I've just concluded my working visit in the United Kingdom. I'll be leaving UK today for the United States. I'm going to land precisely in Washington, D.C. And on the 28th, I am going to have a town hall meeting and several other meetings in Washington, D.C. I'll be proceeding from Washington, D.C. to New York City on the 28th, where from 29th to 31st and 1st, I'm going to also have a lot of town hall meetings and several other scheduled meetings in the New York City. I'll be leaving New York City on the 2nd of September for Arizona, where I will have a town hall meeting on the 3rd, and we'll be leaving Arizona on the 4th back to Washington, D.C. to en route Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all Labour Party members and obedient movement in the United Kingdom for the massive support and for finding time to engage me to participate in all the series of events. I'm really very proud of the UK chapter for that outstanding performance. I also want to seize this privilege to say that a new Nigeria is definitely possible. I do not want us to be deterred, to be discouraged by the temporary setback. I believe surely that Peter Obi will be president of Nigeria. I'm sure that the courts will do the right thing. And for us in Labour Party, we have put our hands on the plow and will definitely not look back. We are determined to continue this struggle until we reclaim the country, until the country is repositioned for effective service delivery, until the country works for Nigeria. We will not rest on our oars. Thank you and God bless you.